Hello, and welcome to a District 228 Tech tutorial. I'm going to be talking about Screencastify today, and this is just the basics of how to get started. When you want to start using this, you would go to the Chrome web store and you would add it as an extension. So you would just say add to Chrome, and you can see it's up here for me. And when you go back to this main screen here, it shows that it's already installed. And I'm going to just click on this for a minute. And if some of the features available, sometimes you have to double click. This computer's a little slow. Some of the features available, though, are if you just want to deal with one browser, you could click Browser tab, and then you just record one browser tab. I always click Desktop so I could flip back and forth and click on different tabs. And then you can also do webcam only. You put the microphone on. If you want to enable the webcam, you could do that. I usually don't have that. And then you just hit record, and it will show you, like, it will have a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then you start recording. Right now it's showing me my desktop is being recorded, and you get the time up there. And you could use this for pausing and then stopping the recording. So this is just the first part of it, showing you how to get the extension. And I will continue with one or two more videos for you. Thank you.